Hi Dress It Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw BlackPink's Jennie in her You and Me music video. So let's get started. To draw cute Jennie, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and start with a circle. And I'm going to come right next door, about right here, and draw another circle. There. Now that I have my two circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There, now that I have the eyes in, let's go ahead and spruce them up. I'm going to come about right here and I'm just going to draw a soft curve that just kind of hangs over. And then I'm going to continue that curve out towards the edge right here and flick up and thicken this part up just to mimic her eyeliner and her lash. So same thing here, just a soft line right here that tapers. And then once again, this eyeliner that flicks up and just thicken it up. There. Then let's come to the top about right here. I'm just going to draw a soft arc for her brow. And same thing right across. There. And then let's give Jennie a sweet smile, of course. So say about right here in the middle. We're going to go ahead and just draw a curve that slightly goes upwards and cap it off. From there, let's go ahead and frame her face. So I'm going to come to the top of the eye, really close to this lash. I'll give myself a point. Same thing over here. And we're just basically going to draw bottom of a U. So let's come about right here. We go around the eye. Start with our curve. And then I'm going to come to my center about right here, and I'm just going to kind of imagine how low I want her chin to go. So let's just say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. And from there, I'm going to go ahead and continue my curve towards my point. So turn your body or your paper, whatever helps you to draw this curve. So same thing here. There. Okay, so nice round curve. And then from there, let's bring this up. So we're just imagining the oval for her head. So let's say about, just keep going up. So from up to my center. So I'll say about right here. I'll give myself a point. See where I'm going. And we're just going to go up to create our oval. So her hair parts in the center. So I'm just going to create this oval coming down. There. From there, let's go ahead. We're going to come back to the sides where her eyes are, and I'm going to pop out a curve for her ear. And then I'll draw in some details, two curves. So same thing on the other side, but right here and in. And the details. From there, I'm going to find my center, so about right here, I'm going to go up, straight up, and say about right here, I'm going to go up a little bit, and bring an angle line, curve, so angle a little bit right about here, and then we're just going to bring it in. So it's all very tapered. So same thing here, just angle a little bit right about here, and then bring it in. There. Okay, so Now that we have that, we can, I'll draw her pigtails a little bit later. Let's work on her body first. So from there, let's go ahead. We're going to give her a little neck right in the center. So about right here and here. Just going to go down for her shoulders. Same thing here. Down for her shoulders. So her shoulders are usually aimed, because we're drawing this kind of a chibi style. I always try to make the shoulders a little, almost the same width as the head. So from there, let's go ahead and let's say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point, kind of like where her armpit area would be. And here. About right there. And I'm just going to tentatively draw an angle line down, just so I know the space I'm working with. Then from there, we're going to come, so her armpit area is about right here and here. We're going to come about right here, draw a curve. So this is starting to be her blouse. And then we're going to draw the ruffle. So come about right here, and I'm just going to wiggle all the way across. And then we're going to come up and just wiggle as well. So we're going to come up nice and high into the space, just wiggle. And then right about here, we're just going to add 2 straps to connect it. And so in this space, we're just going to come back in here and trying to mimic all the ruffle stuff that's going on. So just come in here and just draw some wiggles in there. But I'll try to make it too complicated here, but just to give it some texture so you know there's all this stuff going up on here. And then from there, let's go ahead and bring this down. So hopefully I've captured the look at the top of her dress. And then from there, let's bring it down for her waist. And then let's go ahead and connect. From there, let's go ahead and let's bring this in a tiny bit more now that I look at it. Then from there, let's go ahead and we're going to straighten out a tiny bit right here for her waist area. Give it another curve. And then we're going to start to poof out her skirt. So her skirt has many layers. So I'm just going to try my best to mimic it. And so I'm going to go with the first layer. And we're just going to wobble our way across. And another layer. So we're just going ahead and then wobble. One more about here. And then this one, I'm going to start to bring it in a little bit more. So I'm going to come in, but right here, wobble, and then one more layer. So it's kind of like the bottom. There, just try to create this texture here for her skirt. And then we can go ahead and draw her legs. So in the center, we're going to come out here and here. And matching her hip, her legs would come out about right here. So work on this leg first. We're just going to go down at an angle. To say about right here, I'm going to stop and cut it off. Just kind of wearing these socks right here at the top. So I'm going to come down and wobble. So we're still tapering as we go down. So I'm just going to give it a little bit of wobble and then connect. And then let's see, we're going to draw her feet. We're going to come out. And connect. And for some details, the sole round, and I believe there's a strap right here. Just to simplify everything. Coming here with some curves, give the sock some texture. There, and so same thing over here. So an angle, so right here. And once again, we're just going to draw the same thing. There, and so once again, come in here with some curves to give it some more texture. Okay, so then now let's draw her arms. So this hand is going to be out, and then this one is going to be on her hips. So let's go ahead, we'll work on this hand first. Her armpit area is about right there. So I'll just bring it down. And let's go out. And her hands will be about right in this area, so let's keep going. And let's say about right here. Draw a thumb. And then her fingers are going to come out. Curve and bring in. And I'll add another little finger back here. There. Okay, and then for some details, she has these ribbons tied right about here. Be a loop. And then we'll draw some the tail. Just so we know there's something on her hand. And then let's work on this side. So we're going to bring her arm out, and we want her hands on her hip about right here. Bring it down and then just angle it out. Thicken everything, and then the elbow. And then angle, and then the finger there for her other hand. And that is pretty much it for her outfit. So then from there, let's go ahead and spruce this all up for her pigtails. So we're going to come to the sides right here, about right here, and I'm just going to wobble for her scrunchie and then pop out her pigtails. So I'm going to pop it out, and then about right here, it's going to come down. So let's go ahead and we're going to wobble close to her ear, bring it nice and low to about right here, and just thicken it up. There. Very important, pigtails, right? Completes the outfit. So same thing over here. She's going to wobble for her scrunchie, and once again pop out her pigtail. Just wobble all the way down to about right here. And connect. There. And that is pretty much it. Picking up her brow, but that is pretty much it for her outfit here. And hopefully you loved how this turned out, and I helped you draw Jennie here from BlackPink in her You and Me music video. I hope I really helped you draw her fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.